volcano erupted in the afternoon of Sunday, January 12, 2020. The eruption was classified as phreatic eruption by the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, which generated a plume of ash around 100 meters high. Phreatic eruption is a steam-driven episode that occurs when water beneath the ground or on the surface is heated by magma, lava, hot rocks, or new volcanic deposits. During periodic eruptions, no new magma is produced. Only fragments of pre-existing solid rock in the volcano are expelled. On that same day, the steam-driven series of blasts became a predomagmatic eruption, meaning that magma and water were violently and explosively mixing. Predomagmatic explosions can send ash and debris into the air. Volcanic earthquakes may be able to cause structural damage, and the appearance of new features can damage roads and houses. The next day, the volcano's phreatic or steam-driven activity progressed into magmatic eruption. Magmatic eruptions involve the rise of magma toward the surface. In the case of Taal volcano, the magmatic eruption is characterized by weak fountaining lava accompanied by thunder and flashes of lightning. If seismologists use the Richter scale to measure earthquake strength, volcanoes have a similar scale called the Volcanic Explosivity Index or VEI. This scale gives us a way to measure the relative explosiveness of volcanic eruptions. It measures how much volcanic material is ejected, the height of the material thrown into the atmosphere, and how long the eruption lasts. The scale is logarithmic or based on 10. Therefore, an increase of 1 on the scale indicates an eruption 10 times powerful more than the number before it on the scale. In the case of the Taal eruption on January 12, 2020, it has reached a VEI of 3 to 4 due to the amount of volcanic material ejected and the height of the material thrown into the atmosphere. Mount Mayon's eruption in 2018 is around 2 to 3, while Mount Pinatubo eruption in 1991 remained the world's largest volcanic eruption to happen in the past 100 years with a volcanic explosivity index of 6. Wonder Warriors, how are you so far? Don't forget to take note of the important details in your paper to easily remember our lesson. So there, you have just learned about the formation of volcanoes and volcanic activities. And now, challenge yourself to do this 5-item quiz. I will read the question and choices once. You are only given 5 seconds to write the letter of the correct answer for each question. You will be given 1 gold coin for every correct answer. Are you now ready? Wonder Warriors, let's play Science Pop Quiz. Question number 1. Which type of volcano is characterized by a tall, conical mountain composed of an alternating layer of lava flow? A. Cinder cone volcano. B. Composite volcano. C. Shield volcano. Or D. Dormant volcanoes. The correct answer is letter B, composite volcano. Question number 2. Which of the following is a steam-driven episode that occurs when water beneath the ground or on the surface is heated by magma, lava, hot rocks, or new volcanic deposits? A. Phreatic eruption. B. Predomagmatic eruption. C. Magmatic eruption. Or D. Plinian eruption. The correct answer is letter A, phreatic eruption. Question number 3. Which volcanic eruption is a result of magma and water violently and explosively mixing? A. Plinian eruption. B. Phreatic eruption. C. Magmatic eruption. Or D. Predomagmatic eruption. The correct answer is letter D, predomagnetic corruption. Question number 4. What province ranked the highest risk because of its small land area that a volcanic eruption can affect the whole place? A. Sulu, B. Batanes, C. Camiguin, D. Camarines Sur. The correct answer is letter C, Camiguin. Question number 5. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, how many historically active volcanoes are distributed all over the Philippine archipelago? A. 21, B. 22, C. 23, or D. 24? The correct answer is letter D, 24. Very well done, Wonder Warriors. I am happy that you were able to challenge yourself to do the Science Pop Quiz. And now, let us add all the gold coins you have collected from the Science Pop Quiz. How many gold coins have you collected? For all the effort that you do, I will give you another fantastic badge. As Wonder Warriors, whether you live or don't in a place where a volcano is present, it is important that you are aware of the natural hazards such as volcanic eruptions. And why? That is to prepare yourselves and demonstrate the ways to ensure preparedness when disasters happen. Remember, the key to effective disaster prevention is planning. For your assignment, create a preparedness plan that we should do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. Perform this activity with either family members or friends who are available to join you. Spread awareness and save lives using social media platforms. Share your volcanic eruption preparedness plan to the online world and use #WonderReady. You did well today, Wonder Warriors. I am excited to see all your outputs in our next episode. And that ends our Wonder Adventure for today. But don't worry, more science adventures are coming your way. Always remember, science is fun for everyone. This has been your Wonder Explorer